Part 5, Chapter 3, Habila, Wahabila, Cain and Abel. Watlu alayhim nababni Adama bilhaqi idh qaraba qurbanan fatu qubila min ahadihima walam yutaqabbal min Allah qala tulanaka qala nama yataqabbalullahu minal muttaqin lan basattalayya yadaka letaqtulani manna bebasitin yadiya leka leaqtulaka inni akhafulahu rabbal alamin inni uridu an tabu'a bithmi wa ithmika fatakuna min ashabin nari wa dhalika jaza'u zalimin fatawat lahu nafsuhu qatla akhihi faqatalahu fasbaha minal khasirin fabathallah. Surah 5, 27-31. Repeat then the true story of the two sons of Adam who both offered an offering. From one of them it was accepted, but not from the other. That one exclaimed, I will surely kill thee. God only accepts offerings, answers the other, from those who fear him. Is it fear or is it regard? Because God consciousness is more than fear. If thou dost stretch forth thine hand to me to kill me, I will not lay my hand upon thee to do away with thee, for I fear God, the Lord of the worlds. I would rather thou didst take upon thyself all thy sins and all my murder, all my sin, okay, yeah, and wert one of the damned in hell, for such is the reward of the unjust. His soul urged him to slay his brother. He slew him, and thereafter became one of the reprobates. Uraban yamhatu fil ardeli yuriyahu kaifa yuwari sawadan akhihi qala ya waylata ajaztu anna kuna mithla hadhal ghurabi fawariya sawata akhi fasbaha minan nadimin. Okay, yeah. The second. Some of the text is faded, some of it is smudged. God sent a crow to scratch in the earth, some say a raven, and show him how to make away with his brother's dead body. Literally his brother's shame. Well, depends on what you can't read it in Hebrew, but woe to me, he cried out. I was incapable of doing what this crow does, and of hiding my brother's dead body. From that time he was of those who did repent,